Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok, and in today's video I'm going to show you secret privacy settings that will not allow people to know if you read their messages in your DM on TikTok app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on profile. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner. Proceed to settings and privacy. Proceed to privacy right here. Scroll down right here. Proceed to direct messages. Here we go. Go ahead and turn this off. Once you turn this off, when you read any DM, nobody will be able to know if you read their message for as long as you turn off this particular button right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about TikTok privacy settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.